Globally, airlines raked in over $33 billion from baggage fees last year. Here in the US, that number was a mind-blowing $7.27 billion. That's your hard-earned money, paying for something that used to be included. It feels like every time you fly, there's a new fee, a new restriction, all designed to squeeze a little more cash out of you. But what if you could pack everything you need for your next trip without paying a single one of those fees? What if you never had to stress about finding overhead bin space again? Well, it's not just possible, it's actually pretty easy. I've taken over 300 flights, and I've learned a few things about how to beat the airlines at their own game. In this video, I'm sharing 7 of my best carry-on hacks that they would rather you didn't know. Section 1. Hack number 1. The compression cube miracle. The first secret weapon for any smart traveler isn't just packing cubes, but compression packing cubes. You can roll your clothes perfectly, but you're still dealing with bulky items and trapped air. That inefficiency is what airlines count on. Compression cubes have an extra zipper that works like a vacuum sealer, squeezing all the air out and shrinking your clothes down to a fraction of their size. It's not an exaggeration to say you can fit twice as much in your bag. This is the #1 reason seasoned travelers can go anywhere with just a carry-on. Section 2. Hack number 2. The wearable luggage strategy. This one sounds simple, but most people don't take it far enough. Think about it. Your bulkiest items, that winter coat, your heavy boots, a chunky sweater, can eat up half of your carry-on space. The airline can't charge you for the clothes on your back. So, plan your travel outfit like a strategist. Wear your heaviest shoes, your biggest jacket, and an extra layer like a hoodie. You can peel it all off the second you're on the plane. Some companies even make travel jackets with a ton of hidden pockets, basically turning your coat into a wearable suitcase. Section 3. Hack number 3. The secret pillowcase payload. You've probably seen this hack go viral, but you have to be smart about it. The problem? Your carry-on is stuffed, but you have a few soft, bulky things left. The solution? Turn a pillow into a secret piece of luggage. Now, most airlines consider a small pillow a free personal item, but they are catching on. Don't just show up with a lumpy, obviously stuffed with jeans pillowcase. The key is to get a zippered neck pillow cover, take out the foam, and neatly fold your extra clothes inside. It should look like a real, if slightly firm, pillow. A word of warning. Budget carriers are cracking down, and the final call often comes down to the gate agent. Always check your specific airline's policy before trying this. Section 4. Hack number 4. The duty-free decoy. Okay, this next one feels like cheating, and that's because it kind of is. You've got your carry-on and your personal item, and that's it, right? What if you could bring on a third bag? Here's how. Leverage the airport duty-free shop. On many airlines, a sealed duty-free bag doesn't count toward your carry-on limit. So, if you're stuck with a few items that just won't fit, pop into a shop, buy a bottle of water, and ask for one of their bigger shopping bags. Put your extra stuff in there and just walk onto the plane. Be aware, this isn't a guaranteed trick. Some airports and airlines are getting stricter, but it works often enough that it's always worth a shot. If these tips are helping you save money and travel with less stress, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. Section 5. Hack number 5. The solid toiletry transformation. The tiny liquid bottle rule is one of the biggest packing pains. Those little bottles are expensive, they run out fast, and they take up way too much room in that sad little plastic bag. The solution? Get rid of liquids entirely. You can now find solid bars for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. There are even toothpaste tablets and solid perfumes. Not only does this let you bypass the TSA liquid limits, but it also frees up a ton of space and means you'll never have to worry about a shampoo explosion in your bag again. Section 6. The under-the-seat maximizer. With airlines getting stricter, some cheap fares only allow one item that has to fit under the seat in front of you. Most people just grab a small purse or backpack. Big mistake. The real hack is to find a bag that is the exact maximum size your airline allows for a personal item. This requires homework. Look up your airline's specific dimensions, and they vary wildly, so you must check. A bag that maxes out the 40 pound 30 20 centimeter that some budget airlines allow can fit a surprising amount of stuff, letting you skip carry-on fees altogether. Hack number 7. The gate check gambit. This last hack is a bit of a gamble, but when it works, it's beautiful. The problem: you've packed a carry-on, but you secretly wish you didn't have to drag it through the airport. The solution: get it checked for free at the gate. On most full flights, airlines run out of overhead space and start begging for volunteers to check their bags. To boost your odds, wait for the last few boarding groups to be called. When you hear that announcement, be ready to step right up. You get all the convenience of a checked bag without paying a single dime for it. Travel shouldn't start with stress, fees, and overflowing bags. When you use tricks like compression cubes, a strategic travel outfit, and clever loopholes like the duty-free decoy, you're taking back control. You can pack everything you need and walk right past the check-in counter, knowing you beat the system. What's your best carry-on hack? I'd love to hear it, so drop it in the comments below. Happy travels!